Umintri Sorkar bad MLA ka amnarem ubalak men rumbui haga kendai trik jeliu. Ula ong bakajing pyntrei ya ka surok Shillong Dawki ka barang ya shakman. Kalakta shibun ya ka kam jungok kai bad ya ka kamai kaji jo ki nongshong shnong ka thain Dawki. Hendrei ula banjur baka di kajing pyntrei kalong ka bakong san na kabenta ka roy ka par ka bane slam. Habakren syakilat patai kubur. Ubalak men ula kubur halur kajing syakta ka kam jungok kai. Lingba ka ni kajing pyntrei ya ka surok. Hendrei ula ong bagi jing tei ki de kimat ki bahak mat na kabenta ban kentiu ya ki kam jungok kai perthei. Ka Meghalaya ka de ka jela ka balakir khu ha ka jinglong jingman jong ka maryang bat ki saudong saukun. Hendrei haba penpau ya ka ni ka sorkar Meghalaya bat ka sorkar India kila ithu ya ka jinglong kongsan jong ka kam jungok kai. Hendrei ngin omla ban kentiu ya ka kam jungok kai klem ki surok ki babha. Kilat a jingtem bat ki wei ki jingdon kam ba kongsan ula ong. Umintri ula penpau ko jing sngo ngo ya ka sorkar pedeng. Halor ka jing bei tingka na kabenta ka surok Shillong tamabil bat ong baka jing pyntrei menta kalaya syakman. Ula kubur baka jing pyntrei ya ka ni ka surok kalakta shibun ya ka jingwan jo ki nong shangkai. Lingba ka ni ka surong bat ka balakta shibun ya ka kamai kaji jong ki beriu. Hendrei ula kintu bakin long ki bayai sya. Kajing yai sya kalong ka badan kam namar ngalayo i bagi kam kilaya sya syan. Bat nga kermen batang hadin kat tu kat nipor ki kontraktor ki pyntrei kin la ban pendap no ya ka kam ula ong. Hendrei ya mentahi kalakta shibun ya ka thain Dawki maulen nong bat ki thain ba marjan. Ula penpau ru halor ka jingdon kam ya ka jing shngan namar ka jing shong senjor jong ka kendau haki benta jong ka surang. Haba benrap ba wat ka jing hap slap ka ba malu malaru kelawan ra ka jing tuak kendau. Bat ka bala shimru iki mensim beriu ha kapor baka jing pyntrei ya ka surang kadang ya syakaman.
Blessed with uh, the natural beauty which we are having. But having said that, the government of Meghalaya and also the government of India recognize the importance of tourism. But tourism, you cannot develop tourism without the road communication, telecommunication, and other basic facilities. So we are very thankful to the government of India having financed the Shillong Tamabil Road, which the construction is going on. And yes, as of now, the tourist inflow through that area is affected. The livelihood of the people is affected. But something that we need to be patient in the sense that now I have seen that the work is progressing well, and I hope that in a very short time that the executing parties or the contractor will be able to complete the job. But as of now, it affects the Dawki area, it affects Maulanong, it affects those areas, it affects livelihood people. But as I said, that due to the ongoing construction, so and as you know that the soil in that area is not stable, and whenever there is a small rain also, landslide is always there. So precaution is needed because we cannot deny the fact that human life also have been lost during the ongoing construction. So it is duty of the subdivisional magistrate to see that all precautionary measures should be taken. And it's a duty of the government also to see that the construction should complete as early as possible.